Hello students. So here I have taken few problems on allied angles which have appeared in CET. So there you will be having 4 options, that is MCQ questions will be there. Here I have taken it as a prove that instead of giving options I have taken the answer. You are required to prove that LHS is equal to 1. So if I take first one if I take, so LHS is sin square 20 plus sin square 70. So plus sin square 70. So first I will tell you regular method, then I will give you a hint whereby directly you can write the answer. Now if you observe these two angles are complementary, means the sum of those two angles will be 90. So 20 plus 70 is 90. So here out of any two, one angle you can write it as, so in square 20. Now this 70 I can write it as sin square 90 minus 20. 90 minus 20. So 90 minus 20 is 70. Now if I apply sin 90 minus theta, sin 90 minus theta, 90 minus means it is in first quadrant. So first quadrant it is positive. As here 90 is there, this sin gets converted to cos. So this will be equal to sin square 20 plus cos square 20. Sin square 20 plus cos square 20. So both angles are same. You know the identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So answer is 1, that is our RHS. So this is a normal method. So for hint you can remember this. Hint. If A plus B is equal to 90 degree. If sum of two angles is 90, then sin square A plus sin square B is always equal to 1. This is first one. So second, similarly cos square A plus cos square B will be equal to 1. And third one, tan A into tan B is equal to 1. So this is the hint which you are required to remember. So if sum of two angles is 90, then sin square A plus sin square B is 1, cos square A plus cos square B is 1, tan A into tan B is 1. So now if you observe here sum of these two angles is 90, so you should get answer 1. Similarly, if I take example, suppose he has given sin square 40 plus sin square 50. Don't solve it. Directly if you add these two, these are complementary, you will get 90. So answer will be 1. Similarly, if I say cos square 30 plus cos square 60, this will be also equal to 1. So if sum of two angles is 90, then that identity you will have it as 1. So now on this basis, you can solve other two problems also. Using this hint, you can note down this hint, students, in your notebook. So now if you observe here second one if you observe 40 plus 50 is 90. So from the hint I have given tan A into tan B will be directly 1. So if you want to solve 50, you can write it as 90 minus 40. So directly it is 1. So if you want to solve LHS, tan 40, tan 50, I can write it as 90 minus 40. Tan 50, I can write it as 90 minus 40. So 90 minus theta, first quadrant, tan gets converted to cot. So this will be cot 40. Cot is reciprocal of tan. So you will have tan 40 into 1 by tan 40. So both gets cancelled, you will have answer 1. So this is the method for board exam. while there directly you just check whether it is complementary. If it is complementary, answer will be 1. Now similarly in this problem also you will have, so if you observe these two angles, third one, so in third one, if you take two angles 45 plus theta and another angle is 45 minus theta, if you add you will get 90. Sum of this angle and this angle is 90, means using this hint directly you can say answer is 1. Clear students? If you want to solve, again you write it as 90 minus, then simplify, you will get the answer. Now, if I take fourth one, if I take, if you observe the angles one below the other terms here, 54 and 36, these are also complementary. 54 plus 36 will be 90. 23 and 67, this is also 90. So fourth, if I take fourth one, cot 54 divided by tan 36 plus tan 23 divided by cot 67. Now convert any one. I will convert all this in tan, or anyway if you want to convert numerator you can convert. So I will write this as cot 54 can be written as 90 minus 36, denominator as it is, plus here tan 23 I can write it as 90 minus 67, denominator as it is. So now applied formula of allied angle, 90 minus theta. So 90 minus theta means first quadrant it will be positive, cot gets converted to tan. So you will have tan 36 divided by tan 36 plus here 90 minus theta, first quadrant tan gets converted to cot. So cot 67 divided by cot 67. So term gets cancelled, you will have 1 plus this also gets cancelled 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. That is our answer, fourth one. Clear students? Now fifth. Again fifth, if you observe here, one angle is greater than 90. One angle is greater than 90. So 99 I can write it as 90 plus 9. So 99 can be written as 90 plus 9. So if I take fifth one, tan 9 into tan 99. So this tan 9 I will keep as it is. Tan 99 I can write it as 90 plus 9. So 90 plus means it is in second quadrant. In second quadrant tan is negative, first point. Second 90 is there means tan gets converted to cot. So this is tan 9 into minus cot 9. Minus cot 9. So again I can write cot in its reciprocal. So this will be tan 9 into minus 1 by tan 9. Cot 9 I can write it as 1 by tan 9. So tan 9 gets cancelled, you will have answer minus 1. So that is our answer, fifth one. Clear students? Similarly, if you want to have hints on trigonometry, you can check my playlist. There I have written tricks for solving problems on trigonometry. You will get similar videos. You can go through that, which will be helpful for your entrance.